Hello everyone. Welcome to our English conversation practice video. Today, we will go through 4 conversations at different levels: beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced. At the end of each conversation, there will be a practice exercise where you will hear one line and then you need to say the next line. Let's get started. Remember, your answers can be your own personal responses. Conversation 1. Elementary. Hi John. Are you excited for Halloween?
Hi Alice. Yes, I am very excited. Are you?
Yes, I love Halloween. Do you have a costume?
Yes, I am going to be a vampire. What about you?
I will be a witch. Do you like scary movies?
Not really. They are too scary for me. Do you like them?
Yes, I love scary movies. What is your favorite Halloween candy?
I like chocolate bars. What is your favorite?
I like gummy bears. Are you going to a Halloween party?
Yes, I am going to a party at my friend's house. Are you going to a party?
Yes, I am going to a party too. It will be fun.
Do you carve pumpkins for Halloween?
Yes, I do. I like to make funny faces. Do you carve pumpkins?
Yes, I do. I like to make scary faces. Do you decorate your house?
Yes, I put up spider webs and ghosts. Do you decorate your house?
Yes, I put up bats and skeletons. Halloween is so much fun.
Yes, it is. I can't wait for Halloween night. Now, it's your turn. Hi John. Are you excited for Halloween? Do you have a costume? Do you like scary movies? What is your favorite Halloween candy? Are you going to a Halloween party?
Do you carve pumpkins for Halloween? Do you decorate your house?
Conversation 2. Intermediate.
Hey Mike, are you ready for Halloween this year?
Hi Emma. Yes, I am. I have my costume and decorations ready. How about you?
I'm ready too. I'm going to be a zombie. What's your costume?
I'm dressing up as a pirate. Do you like trick-or-treating?
Yes, I love it. It's so much fun to get candy. Do you go trick-or-treating every year?
Yes, I do. I also enjoy going to haunted houses. Do you like haunted houses?
They are a bit scary for me, but I go with friends. What's your favorite Halloween memory?
My favorite memory is when I won a costume contest. What about you?
My favorite memory is carving pumpkins with my family. Do you carve pumpkins?
Yes, I do. I like to make funny faces. What do you carve?
I usually carve scary faces. Do you watch Halloween movies?
Yes, I love them. My favorite is Hocus Pocus. What's yours?
I love The Nightmare Before Christmas. It's a classic.
Now, it's your turn.
Hey Mike, are you ready for Halloween this year? I'm going to be a zombie. What's your costume?
Do you like trick-or-treating?
Do you go trick-or-treating every year?
Do you like haunted houses?
What's your favorite Halloween memory? Do you carve pumpkins?
What do you carve?
Do you watch Halloween movies?
Conversation 3. Upper intermediate.
Hi David. Are you looking forward to Halloween this year?
Hey Sarah, absolutely. I've got my costume all set. How about you?
I'm excited too. I'm planning to dress up as a ghost. What's your costume?
I'm going as a werewolf. Do you have any plans for Halloween night?
Yes, I'm going to a haunted house with some friends. Do you like haunted houses?
I love them. They're thrilling. What's your favorite Halloween tradition?
I love carving pumpkins. It's so creative. Do you carve pumpkins every year?
Yes, I do. I try to make a different design each year. What about you?
Same here. I also enjoy baking Halloween-themed cookies. Do you bake?
Occasionally. I prefer eating them though. What's your favorite Halloween movie?
I love Hocus Pocus. It's a classic. Do you have a favorite?
Yes, The Nightmare Before Christmas. It's perfect for both Halloween and Christmas.
That's a great choice. Are you going to any Halloween parties?
Yes, I'm going to one at my friend's house. Are you attending any parties?
Yes, I'm going to a costume party. It should be fun.
Now, it's your turn.
Hi, David. Are you looking forward to Halloween this year? What's your costume?
Do you have any plans for Halloween night?
Do you like haunted houses?
What's your favorite Halloween tradition?
Do you carve pumpkins every year? I also enjoy baking Halloween-themed cookies. Do you bake?
What's your favorite Halloween movie?
Are you going to any Halloween parties?
Conversation 4. Advanced.
Hi James. Are you excited about Halloween this year?
Hey Lily. Absolutely. I've been planning my costume for weeks. How about you?
Same here. I'm going as a Victorian ghost. What's your costume?
I'm dressing up as a steampunk vampire. Do you have any special plans for Halloween night?
Yes, I'm hosting a themed party at my place. We'll have games, a costume contest, and lots of spooky decorations. What about you?
That sounds amazing. I'm going to a haunted maze with some friends. Have you ever been to one?
Yes, I went last year. It was terrifying but so much fun. Do you enjoy scary experiences?
Definitely. I love the adrenaline rush. What's your favorite Halloween memory?
My favorite memory is when I went trick-or-treating with my cousins as a kid. We collected so much candy. What about you?
I remember winning a pumpkin carving contest in high school. It was a proud moment. Do you still carve pumpkins?
Yes, every year. It's a tradition I can't miss. Do you watch any special movies for Halloween?
Yes. I always watch The Shining and Halloween. They're classics. Do you have any favorites?
I love Hocus Pocus and The Nightmare Before Christmas. They never get old.
Great choices. I can't wait for all the Halloween fun this year.
Now, it's your turn.
Hi James. Are you excited about Halloween this year? What's your costume?
Do you have any special plans for Halloween night? I'm going to a haunted maze with some friends. Have you ever been to one?
Do you enjoy scary experiences?
What's your favorite Halloween memory? Do you still carve pumpkins?
Do you watch any special movies for Halloween?
Thanks for watching.